Hello, my name is Raúl Guardado, and today I'm going to take to you about my timeline of five events that happened in my life. Timeline Hurricane Mitch 198. Because of this hurricane, I was on the verge of dying due to the heavy rains, material loss, lack of food, and illness that resulted from the storm. Excavation 2009. I was a very special day because I received my first recognition as the education living. Remember that my heart was beating strongly when I went up to express my gratitude to my teachers. Motorcycle 2012. The day beautiful I was going to buy my first motorcycle. I couldn't sleep thinking about it. Was I excited that when I bought it I wanted to read it all day and never get off. Within 2022, happiness was one of the best moments of my life, as I was able to marry the woman I love so much that we it is considered one of my greatest moments. Birth 2024. I consider this month very special because I received a gift from good, a precious downstairs, downstairs, who has brought joy to my married life. Thank you very much. See you later. See you later.